here at Desert City Swing 2022. Today we kind of played around with footwork, not so much pattern structures. So we started with a simple sugar push, yes. For the followers, we walked 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Normal sugar push. We changed it up by doing what we call cross and fronts. Leaders, we did the same thing for you, but only on a right side pass. The basis of this movement is crossing my foot in front of the other by going and a step, and a step, and a step. I'm going to turn backwards for you all. So again, weight is on that left foot, my right foot crosses over the left, and I'm just kind of stepping in front, stepping in front. Make sure that you add those foot changes. If you do not and you cheat, you'll be off timing, cool, and you won't know what foot to come out of. Yeah. So I'm really adamant about making sure you change your weight. From there, followers, we took our sugar push. We put a 1 and we put an angle on 2. Right? Instead of walking 1, 2, I kind of walked on a slight diagonal on 1. I rotated and diagonaled on 2. From here, I crossed in front for 3 and 4. Notice my 4 isn't a whomping 4. It's still underneath me because then I have space now to cross in front and travel back. Yes. So from a side view, it looks like this. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. It gives my hips a nice little twist. I can do that on any of my movements. Right side pass, cross in front, left side pass, cross in front. Cool? Leaders, for you, I did it on a right side pass, right? So normally we walk 1, cross, 2, push back, 3, cross the slot on 4, 5, and 6. That's a normal right side pass. But I changed it up for you guys to add a little bit more footwork into it. So I had a 1, 2, cross in front. So I took my time almost making it like a J-hook turn, leaders. So it looks like this from behind. But guys, I went 1, 2, 3, and 4, right? My 4 is still on the rail. It hasn't crossed the slot. Now I take my 5 and 6 to round the corner, 5 and 6. Now I'm back on the slot again. Yes? From there, leaders, I had you do something slightly different. You're doing a left side pass, but you're leading her on a right side pass. So I'm making her go behind me. Can I steal you for a second? So leaders, making sure that you add the bounce. If you add the bounce, that makes it a lot easier than trying to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? That kind of blends it all. I don't want to do that. I wanted to make it look distinctive. So I'm going 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. And notice I'm keeping the same rhythm. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. My way of doing left side passes, leaders, isn't making a big 1. I lead my 1, wait for her to maybe get out of her way on the 3 and 4, not on the 1, 2. So when I do this, 1, 2, I might go in front and step it out. Now it makes it look a little fancier, leaders, instead of just staying in place, triple step, triple step. If it helps, you might want to think triple step, not a rainbow over your head. Yes? So it does have to bounce to the shoulder, I didn't get this in class, but I'm going to show you guys in video, leaders. You can go 1, 2, cross in front, and then you're back to your sugar push. Cool? That was your class, guys. Thank you